Welcome! The Eldorado CALPADS have created this quick video tutorial to address commonly asked questions. Following the tutorial, we encourage you to explore our professional learning catalog by scanning the QR code at the bottom of the screen. Let's get started.
Navigate to the CALPADS TOMS tab on your navigation bar and click on CALPADS Transactions. After carefully reviewing your transactions for accuracy, you are ready to submit a report. Select the checkboxes next to only the reviewed transactions. You should only report one transaction per student in a generated report to prevent errors. Click on Generate Report. This will open the Generated Reports page. First, you must log into CALPADS. When reporting, you must submit the files in order from top to bottom. You cannot proceed on to the next file until the first one is posted and error-free. Begin by submitting the first file ready. The time it takes to submit a file varies. You will click on the Must Click Here to Refresh Status link. It will show a pop-up saying no change in status if it is not yet ready. Wait a little bit longer and click the Refresh button again. If an error appears, you will need to post it to your homepage to fix it. Select the Post Errors hyperlink. Select all three Display Fix Error boxes and click Post CALPADS Errors. This will post a new CALPADS Errors box on your home page with a button that says Fix Errors. Once you click the Fix Errors button, you will see an error description and you will click the wrench to open the transaction. If you do not know how to fix the error, please contact your program technician and let them know you have posted an error to your home page. Your report cannot continue until all errors have been fixed. If you must, you can select the prohibition sign to DNR the transaction and put a comment with the date and the error code. Once the errors have been fixed or the transactions have been DNR'd, return to your generated report by clicking on the CALPADS TOMS tab and select CALPADS Generated Reports. You can now select the Resubmit hyperlink. The file will be posted when it returns with a file error-free status, and you may move on to the next file. Once all of the files have been submitted, confirm that they are file error-free and select the trash can to delete the report. Do not generate another report until the first one is completed. Please be sure to review your DNR transactions and restore any that might still need to be reviewed, corrected, and reported.
Thank you for learning with us. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. On behalf of the Eldorado CALPADS, thank you for everything you do to improve the outcomes of students with disabilities.